Pillows are a key accent for all home decor projects. I'm DIY designer Jane Manzuris, and today we're talking all about pillows. Now, pillows are the quickest and most inexpensive way to change and refresh the look of a room. So let's take a look. This luxury pillow insert has the look and feel of down and is a favorite among crafters and interior designers. There's a wide variety of sizes and shapes, which makes some of the most versatile pillows on the market. This pillow offers the right combination of softness and support to add comfort to your home furniture, create a beautiful pillowscape in a bedroom, or a cozy reading nook. It's filled with polyester fiberfill and features a cotton polyester high-quality cover. There are no added chemicals or flame retardants, and it's hypoallergenic. For the perfect fit, your pillow cover can be the same size as the pillow form because it has a zipper opening that will allow you to add or remove our Poly-fil fiber to customize the fit. We recommend spot cleaning to help maintain the look and shape of your pillow form. Our Fairfield products have been at the heart of your project for over 75 years. For more information on our wide variety of craft and sewing products, just head to our website, fairfieldworld.com.